Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the your Roblox account manager not working. So I will show you guys the effective solution to fix this problem. So make sure you watch this entire video. So the first solution is go to the Windows search and type here the Roblox and the account manager. So once it appear, right click on it, click on the open file location. So once it was open here, you need to just right click on your account manager and just simply click on the properties. Now go the compatibility, go to now here you can check this box of run the program in the compatibility mode and just you can select the Windows 8 from here and then you can check this box of disable full screen optimization and also check this box of run as administrator. By running as administrator, the program has access to modify all the files. Click on the apply, then click on the OK, then restart your Roblox account manager and see your problem is fixed or not. And if you are still getting the errors and not working, then what you need to do, just click on the settings icon and here you want to make sure that this option is checked, which is the multi Roblox. If this is not checked, then you can simply check this box. Then if there is any update, then you can simply update it. So go to the third option, click on the force update option you are seeing, then just simply click on the yes option. After you update it, now you can simply again open it, and if your problem is still not fixed, then you can simply uninstall it completely and then again install. Guys, this is how you can fix the account manager is not working. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.